big, isn't it?
Bigger than I thought it would be. Looks smaller from the outside.
It does. It's quite a lot of room.
It is, yeah.
You've got a dishwasher? No. Oh, is that a dishwasher?
That's a dishwasher.
We've got a dishwasher.
And we should have some free, like, dishwasher stuff as well.
Have we?
That's what it said in the brochure.
There's a bin.
It's probably hidden away somewhere.
Yeah, probably.
Microwave, coffee, toaster.
Kettle. I was wondering if there would be a kettle or
Yeah.
not. Isn't it? Fridge freezer?
Fridge.
Is there anything in there? No.
Tell her in a minute.
TV.
This is the master bed. What is it? Is this the double? Or is it bigger than the double?
I don't know.
Oh, ensuite.
I think we'll be alright on that though.
It's quite a big bed.
Got a woodland view.
Might need some more towels.
Disney toiletries.
It's a big sink, isn't it?
Oh, that was blurry. Where's the shower?
Shower's here.
Is it big?
Ish. For a
Oh, no, it's quite
caravan.
big, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Let's have a look at the other room.
The Mickey on the bed there. Oh, this table's seen better days though.
Three beds.
3 beds. So you've got a maximum of 5 people in here then.
Storage.
So it's Indian artwork. I haven't seen a safe. Is there a safe?
Oh, it was here in the last one we stayed in. Here. Got a wires warm in here.
More Disney toiletries.
Second shower. And then is this just a toilet?
That is the toilet.
That's the toilet.
We don't need to see that. So there's no safe.
There's no safe. Unless... We'll keep looking, because it could be in one of these. It could be in here.
Right, we'll report back on the safe.
Well, yeah. We'll get back to you on it.
You found
You
it.
found the safe. This is... I don't know how you use it, though.
Is it big? I can't really see.
Oh, do we just take it?
Okay.
I think you could put like a MacBook in there.
Good.
Which is what we need. So thanks for watching our first ever Dinky vlog. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We will have another Dinky vlog coming out tomorrow. See you later.